Ferko a Daliborko, všetko si dokumentujem, teda aj fotím. Vyberali ste smeti z nášho smetiaka krátko pred tým, ako chodili smetiari, aké obaly od jogurtov v smetiaku z Kauflandu či kde si to robil. Bol som skontrolovať kôš pred smetiarmi, tá šopa slúžila na to. Dali ste mi roztočené bonsaje, citrusy, javory a mary. Prepichli ste mi 3-krát prednú pneumatiku na horskom bicykli. Ukradli ste mi kľúče od nášho bytu. Dali ste mi fotografie do počítača homosexuálov, ako si robia oral. Tvoj ujo šíri škodlivé programy v sieti. Poškodzovali ste mi hudobné šnúry a jacky. Odcudzili ste mi DVD. Vytopili ste pivnice na bytovke. Keď sme odišli s mamou do bar, bolo to 2-krát, 1-krát ste nám otvorili okno, lebo mala byť búrka, 2-krát ste nám nechali svietiť na WC. Nosili ste v minulosti poštu pre celú bytovku, aby ste vedeli, komu čo chodí aká pošta, a niektorú ste aj otvárali. Červík v bandaske s vodou to z Floriana vytiekol, keď ste bývali na bytovke. Prečo ste nespávali, keď som bol hore ja? Ferko a Daliborko, hrabali ste sa mi semene, viem, pre koho ste to robili, ale to priznáte vy. Daliborko, trpíte dyslexiou, inak agresívny psychopat. Na otázku, čo ho baví, povedal, že len péčko, internet, pestovanie trávy, automaty, káva a cigaretky. A čo náš Adrián, hovorí vám niečo táto melódia, Polygraf? Porušovanie domácej slobody. Poškodzovanie cudzej veci, odcudzenie cudzej veci. Aj keď jeho švagor bol bývalý policajt tiež Dalibor bol usvedčený políciou pre prečin z krádeže.
Ferko and Daliborko, I document everything, so I also take pictures. You took out the trash from our trash for a short time before the garbage collectors used to walk. What kind of yogurt wrappers were in the trash from Kaufland, or where did you do it? I was check the bin in front of the garbage cans, that's what the shed was for. You gave me mites on bonsai, citrus, maples and murray. You punctured my front tire 3 times on a mountain bike. You stole my keys from our apartment. You put photos in my computer of homosexuals giving oral sex. Your uncle spreads harmful programs on the network. You have damaged my musical strings and jacks. You stole my DVD. They heated it up, you a pivnice na bite of key. When Mom and I went to bar, it was twice. Once you opened for us window, because there was supposed to be a storm. The second time you let us light the toilet. You used to carry mail for the entire Bytovka, so that you know what mail goes to whom, and you even open some of them. Worm in Bandarsk with Voda. It leaked out with Floriana. When you lived in an apartment building, why didn't you sleep when I was awake? Ferko and Daliborko, you messed with my seed. I know who you did it for, but you admit it. Daliborko, you suffer from dyslexia, otherwise an aggressive psychopath. When asked what he likes, he said that he only cares, the internet, growing grass, vending machines, coffee and cigarettes. And what about our Adrian? Does this melody, polygraph tell you something? Violation of domestic freedom, damage to foreign things, theft of someone else's things. Even though his brother-in-law was a former policeman, also Dalibor was convicted by the police for the crime of theft.